Hey YouTube, it's Sean. We're in the middle of a storm. I'm sorry about the noise outside. But I'm about to introduce to you the first startup after the repair of the shaft. And we got no wheels on it yet. No wheels. But I'm about to introduce to you the first startup and run of the scooter, mobility scooter, the gas-powered mobility scooter, after the shaft repair. So there we go. I don't know how it's going to go. Haven't run it yet. Chain seems good. I don't know. Let's go for it. Motor runs good. Good stuff, guys. Rotating. Looks good, guys. Hey, I think that's good. My new chain loosened up a little bit, which is awesome. Alright guys, looking good. Put some tires and wheels on this thing. Again, had to fix the gas tank, had a leak. Hopefully that doesn't come back. I don't think it will, but you never know. Looking better. There's the first run after the shaft repair. It's all back together, back in order. And it is a stormy night tonight, guys. Yep, there's the shaft, and it's back in there in the now I got a little bit of chain play that I have to take care of. I want a little bit, but I don't want that much. That's a brand new chain and sprocket and everything, so it's gonna break in. Sounds good. You know, the motor runs perfect. That little motor rebuilt really well. doesn't want to go. This battery's been sitting since the last time we charged it, guys. It's been cold out. Yeah, it's been really cold out too. So I don't know. Probably have to throw the charger on it again. Best part is I didn't have to throw the charger on it on my when I just came out. That battery may be getting weak, and that's fine. Best part is you can recycle these clips just by chipping off all that crap or that epoxy. You can recycle these that you just put on, you know. You can reuse them. Get yourself another battery and go for it again. But anyway, guys, there's a little update for you. That's the first run. We'll put the tires and wheels back on it. Hopefully, we don't have any more breakages in the midst of this build. Alright? And it's just nappy outside tonight. I don't know if you can hear it out there, but I'm glad I'm in here. Alright guys, take it easy. And shaft is fixed. Take it easy. Bye-bye.